sitting in front of a camera with a microphone in hand. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to talk about how you can make money from YouTube. As we all know, YouTube is a platform where you can upload videos, share your knowledge, and connect with people around the world. But did you know that you can also make money from YouTube? A screen recording of the YouTube homepage. First of all, you need to have a YouTube channel. If you don't have one already, you can create one by clicking on the Create a Channel button on the YouTube homepage. Once you have a channel, you can start uploading videos. Filming a video. The key to making money from YouTube is to have a lot of views and subscribers. The more views and subscribers you have, the more money you can make. But how do you get views and subscribers? Holding a notepad. One way is to create content that people want to watch. You can do this by researching what people are searching for on YouTube and then creating videos that cater to those interests. You can also collaborate with other YouTubers in your niche and promote each other's channels. Editing a video. Another way to get views and subscribers is to optimize your videos for search engines. You can do this by using relevant keywords in your video title, description, and tags. You can also create eye-catching thumbnails that will entice people to click on your videos. Analyzing data on a computer screen. Once you have a lot of views and subscribers, you can start making money from YouTube. YouTube pays its creators through a program called YouTube Partner Program, which allows you to monetize your videos with ads. Holding a smartphone. You can also make money from YouTube through sponsorships, merchandise sales, and crowdfunding. You can use platforms like Patreon to collect donations from your viewers. Smiling at the camera. Making money from YouTube requires a lot of hard work and dedication, but it's definitely possible. So, keep creating great content, engage with your viewers, and don't be afraid to experiment with new ideas. Who knows, you could be the next big YouTube star. Waving goodbye. Thanks for watching. See you in the next